Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make international transfers using your HSBC UK online banking account. Now this is a detailed step-by-step guide, so I hope it's very clear. Step number 1. You're going to log into your HSBC UK online banking account. You're going to start by logging in, opening your app and then entering your username and password. If you haven't registered for the online banking yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Step number 2. Access the international money transfer service. Now, once logged in, navigate to the payments and transfer section of your online banking. From there, select international transfers or a similar option, depending on your HSBC UK online banking interface. It could vary from person to person. Now you're going to enter your transfer details. Now you need to enter the details of your international money transfer, such as the recipient's name and bank account details, the amount you wish to transfer, and the currency. Additional information required by the HSBC UK, such as the purpose of transfer. Step number 4. You're going to review the transfer details and confirm. Take a moment now, take a breather, to review all the details of your international money transfer. Ensure that the recipient's information is accurate and double-check the amount and currency. Once you're satisfied, proceed to confirm the transfer. Step number 5. Verify your security details. HSBC UK prioritizes security, so you may be prompted to verify your identity or authenticate the transaction using your chosen security method, such as a one-time password or biometric authentication. Your one-time password could either come from your mail or on your text message. Step number 6. Confirmation and receipt. Now, after completing the security verification, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your international money has been successfully initiated. You may also receive a transaction receipt for your records. Step number 7. Track your transfer. You can track the status of your international money transfer through your HSBC UK online banking account. This allows you to stay updated on the progress of your transfer until it reaches the recipient's account. And there you have it. You've successfully made international money transfer with HSBC UK's online banking platform. It is simple, secure, and convenient, allowing you to send money across borders with ease. So thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment them down below. If you want us to cover a specific topic of your choice, make sure you comment that down below too. Thank you for watching.